Welcome, your table is ready. Tonight we will have dinner at a restaurant.
Wow! This place looks nice! I'm so excited!
Please walk slowly. Tom, stay with us.
Okay, Mommy!
Here is our table.
I want to sit next to Mommy!
Okay, Anna, sit here.
Let's look at the menu.
What is good here?
We will see.
Anna, look at me! You are funny, Tom. I know!
We want soup and fish.
Good choice. I like fish.
Me too.
Hey, look what I can do.
What are you doing? The table is shaking!
Tom, stop that, please.
Sorry, Mom.
Oops, the menu fell off.
Was that my fault?
Yes, Tom, be careful. Hey, be careful. Please be gentle with the table.
Okay, Dad. I'm sorry.
Good evening. Welcome to our restaurant. Are you ready to order?
Yes, we are ready. We want soup and fish, please.
Excellent choice. Anything for the kids?
They will share with us.
And for you, sir? The same is fine. Thank you. Very good. Your food will be ready soon.
When will the food come? Soon, Tom. Be patient. Okay. Wow. What is that? Anna, look over there.
Hey, it looks like the tail of a crocodile.
Oh, where? I want to see. I want to go see. Me too. Let's go. I got you.
Hey, sit down. No leaving the table.
But Mom, we saw something.
Stay in your seats.
But it's a crocodile tail.
Tom, that's silly. There are no crocodiles here.
Here is your soup. Please be careful, it's hot.
Thank you very much.
Let's eat, everyone.
I want soup.
Blow on it first. It's hot.
Wow, this soup is so tasty. Mom, this is yummy.
I'm glad you like it, Tom.
Hey, your mouth is not clean.
Is it better now?
A little bit.
And here is your fish. Thank you. It looks delicious. Enjoy your meal.
It looks amazing.
Wow, a whole fish. Yay, fish.
All right, let's dig in.
Look, this lobster claw is so big. Mom, can I eat this?
Yes, but be careful.
I cannot break it. It's too hard!
I can't hear myself think.
What is that noise? That child is loud.
Yes, very loud.
Anna, please be quiet. People are looking.
Sorry, Mommy.
Let me do it for you.
Thank you, Dad.
You're welcome. Here you go. Eat slowly.
Thank you, Daddy.
You're welcome, sweetie.
I'm done eating. I'm bored. Hey, look! Tom, stop!
Hey, stop what you are doing. I can't eat like this.
Sorry, Dad.
Would you like to see the dessert menu?
Yes, please.
And for dessert, we have ice cream.
I want chocolate ice cream!
I want strawberry.
Excellent choices.
Chocolate is better. No strawberry.
Is it coming?
I want it now.
Me too.
Here you are, 1 chocolate and 1 strawberry.
Yay.
Thank you. This one is mine.
No, I want that one.
It's chocolate. Yours is strawberry.